Amber's tutelage is guiding minds. This is the letter A. The letter A makes the A sound. A, A, A. To make the A sound, your tongue needs to be high and toward the back of your mouth, but not touching the top of your mouth. Then, whilst you form a little open mouth smile, make a short voiced sound. It's actually very similar to the E sound. Try it yourself now. A, A, E, E, A, A, E, E. Can you tell the difference? Now for some pictures that start with the A sound. Join in, saying the sounds, and say the words too. These are action figures. Action starts with A, A, A. This is the alphabet. Alphabet starts with A, A, A. This is an amber-coloured light. Amber starts with A, A, A. This is amber. Amber starts with A, A, A. These are animals. Animal starts with A, A, A. This is an ant. Ant starts with A, A, A. These are antibiotics. Antibiotics starts with A, 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 A. This is an apple. Apple starts with A, A, A. This is the colour aqua. Aqua starts with A, A, A. This is an arrow. Arrow starts with A, A, A. This is ash. Ash starts with A, A, A. This is an avocado. Avocado starts with A, A, A. This is an axe. Axe starts with A, A, A. This is an alpaca. Alpaca starts with A, A, A. This is an atlas. Atlas starts with A, A, A. Did you join in with the sound A, A, A? Now it's your turn to look around your environment and find things that start with the sound A. Amber's tutelage is guiding minds.